my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Today we're going to be doing some textile designing and screen printing. I'm actually going to be showing you a step-by-step process of how I'm taking a Procreate drawing, which is this one, which I hope you can see without the glare. And I actually went through a step-by-step of how to vectorize Procreate artwork or any artwork in Adobe Illustrator in my last video. So I'll link it here in the description and also below so you can check it out if you're interested. But I have the pink version and then I also have the black and white version. So this is what the process looks like. I actually took real cakes on Pinterest that I liked and I traced them. So I'll link that video for process just so you guys can have an idea of how I got to the end results. We're gonna go ahead and send the artwork from Adobe to the printer and we're gonna start designing. I'm excited. Welcome to the dark room that is actually not dark at all. We're gonna go ahead and grab a screen that I actually keep in this closet so they're completely pitch black because I don't want any light touching them. And we're gonna get our screen ready and burn it. Okay, so our screen is currently drying. You can hear the slight fan in the background. So once I get it wet and all the emulsion falls through, I have to dry it. So then it is able to be used so we can print with it. But I thought in the meantime, I would kind of just chit chat for one sec about the design that I'm doing and why I'm doing what I'm doing and why I'm sharing it with you. Writing has been a big part of my life for pretty much my whole life. I have always loved writing in all forms. I like just daily writing, like inspirational writing. I like writing because I'm an overthinker. I love making lists. I love bullet journaling. I love journaling. I love having a calendar. I just like writing things. So I thought, why not make a brand and create things that can involve writing and sewing and screen printing and designing, which is all the things that I'm very passionate about. I design, print, sew these journal covers, and these are the 3 that I currently have in my shop. So they're made of denim, and you can open them up, and they fit actually regular composition notebooks, so you can reuse them over and over again. And they're all really cute and unique, and then they have this cute little bookmark. This is a new design addition I just added, because as a writer, as I'm writing, I can decide like, oh, I want to add this to my product, or I want to change this because I use the product. So it's an awesome thing for me to test very organically. So I have these 3 styles right now in my shop, and they all have corresponding minis, which are just so cute. I have a tiny collection. I love tiny stuff. And these are perfect for pocket writing, grocery lists, just like smaller stuff. So these do still come with my tag on them. They don't have the pencil holder, which is like the big ones have that, and then the big ones also have like a bookmark. These are more simple, I would say. So these are my 3 designs, and the cake is going to be my 4th addition to my journal series collection. The inspiration behind the cake artwork was actually this fabric. I was at the fabric store and I was only going to get the stuff that I have been making, and then I found this and I wasn't planning on starting anything new, but I just love this fabric. It's pink with the bunnies. Love the idea of making cakes. Like if I were to like redo my life and do anything I would want to be a cake decorator. I just think it's so cute. I love cakes. I have a lot of cakes on my Pinterest because I just look at them. So I picked some that I liked, and as I said, I traced them, and I think the cakes are such a cute thing to add to this little vibe. Guys, we have all of our screens printed. I was looking through my inventory of products and realized that I was getting low on a couple of my other things, so I'll just do all my printing tonight. So I have the cake design that we did together. And then I also have my very cute strawberries that I'm going to catch up on. And then I'm also going to be making some keychains to go with the wallets. So this is a great time to sit back, maybe you're drawing, and let's create together. I'm going to put some music on.